Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to price your products for your Shopify store. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm the products right here on my Shopify store. Now I can click on a product that I have and then I can actually see the product price that we have. So as you can see, this costs around $25, this one is around 20 and this one is also around 20. So this product price right here that we have is actually considered through the three methods. So the three methods I'm talking about is the margin, the competition, as well as the demand. So as you can see, my product is a t-shirt. If your product is a well-saturated field, as you can see, this is just a plain t-shirt, and a lot of stores are actually selling that, then I can actually price them at a very reasonable price, which is around $25 right here or $19. But also make sure that you consider the cost that it arounds or takes you in order to create this product right here. Or if you drop ship this, make sure that your product is actually very unique and it will still gather some attention. So in that attention that I'm talking about the demand that this product can ensue. So if your product is quite good, then customers will come back and then buy it from you. So speaking of margins, you have in here the price and make sure that the margins and the price are actually well intact in your actual store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.